In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a button to a section in Elementor. This is an incredibly useful technique for anyone looking to improve their website's navigation and create a seamless experience for visitors. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to guide your users effortlessly from one part of your page to another with just a click of a button. So, let's get started. First, ensure that you have your page open in Elementor. If you haven't done so already, log into your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the page you want to edit, and click the Edit with Elementor button. This should load the Elementor editor for you. Now, locate the section that you want your button to scroll to. When you've found it, click on the section so that it's highlighted and the editing panel on the left is visible. In the panel, you'll see several tabs like Layout, Style, and Advanced. Go ahead and click on the Advanced tab, where you'll find a field labeled CSS ID. Here, you're going to enter an ID that will serve as the unique identifier for this section. Be sure to choose something intuitive and easy to remember, as you'll be using this ID in the next steps. For instance, if your section is about Contact Us, you could use Contact Section. Type this ID into the field, and remember, no spaces are allowed. Use hyphens if you need separation. Next, we'll be adding a button. If one is already present, click on it to select it. Otherwise, drag and drop a button widget from the Elementor widget panel into your desired location. With the button widget selected, you'll see the editing options appear in the left panel. Here, you have the opportunity to customize the button's text to suit the action you want the user to take. You might write something like Scroll to Contact or just Contact Us, whatever best fits the context of your page. Now it's time to set up the link for this button. Within the button settings, look for the link field. This is where the magic happens. Simply use a hashtag, followed by the CSS ID you assigned earlier. For instance, if you used Contact Section as your ID, you will enter Contact Section in this field. The hashtag is crucial because it tells the page that this is a link to a specific section set by its ID, not a URL. After entering your link, make sure to update or publish your page to save the changes. Once the page is live, go ahead and test your button. Click on it, and it should smoothly scroll directly to your designated section. If it doesn't work as expected, double-check the CSS ID for typos and ensure it's correctly matched with the button link. Congratulations, you've successfully learned how to link a button to a section in Elementor. By following these steps, you'll elevate the functionality and user experience of your website significantly. As always, feel free to experiment with different button styles and placements to see what works best for your site. Thanks for watching, and happy designing with Elementor!